Hi, I'm Robert Tyrell with Your Marketing Dude, and I'm here to bring you 6 tips to create effective testimonial videos in under 5 minutes, which is less time than it takes to sign online using dial-up. Today we're going to discuss the importance of testimonial videos. Did you know that customer testimonials have the highest effectiveness rating for content marketing at 89%? Testimonials create an emotional appeal for your branding and help convey your overall message. Brands that inspire a higher emotional intensity receive 3 times as much word of mouth as less emotionally connected brands. I'm sure I don't need to tell you this, but maybe I should speak directly to your wallet. Hello, Mr. Wallet. We're gonna help you hold on to that money you love so much by creating video testimonials. Word of mouth advertising is free, so you don't have to worry about feeling cheap and used anymore. Testimonials help facilitate referrals by increasing trust and incentive. 88% of people trust online reviews by other consumers as much as they trust recommendations from personal friends. Video testimonials are more than 40 times more likely to be shared on social media than other types of content. A majority of consumers are visual learners, and video testimonials have a huge impact on decision making. So with that being said, let's discuss 6 tips to create effective testimonials. Content. The only content we really need to include are these 3 questions. 1, who are they and how do they know your business? 2, what has been their experience with your business? 3, would they recommend your business? These 3 questions will shape the content of your video. Production. You don't need it. Do not overproduce a testimonial with background music, editing, captions, graphics, transitions, etc. This will take away from the authenticity of your testimonial. You don't need a fancy camera, studio lighting, a green screen, pre-written script, none of that. Keep the testimonial plain and simple. No production needed, Mr. Spielberg. Where were you on the cool summer night of July 18th at 7:13 p.m.? Interrogation. Don't have someone interview behind the camera asking these questions. Just have the person giving the testimonial talk on camera, answering those 3 questions we talked about earlier. You don't want to probe your customer with questions on camera. Let them do the talking. Length. It really does matter. Keep the testimonial 1 to 2 minutes long. You don't want it to be too short where it sounds forced and rushed, but you also don't want it to sound so long you lose the attention of the viewer. Kind of like a teenager with a cell phone. No, I hear what you're saying right now. I'm very focused on written testimonials. Written testimonials are a thing of the past. Anyone can write a 5-star review and slap their name on it. There's a disconnect that happens with the viewer and the mysterious person behind the keyboard writing their possibly real and authentic review. Your Marketing Dude is the best advertising company ever because they paid me $500 to write it. Public service announcement. Do not bribe your customers with vouchers or gift cards in exchange for leaving a positive testimonial. This isn't an advertisement or fire sale. You want to simply ask your customers after a good experience if they would like to shoot a quick video sharing their story. So spruce up those Google, Yelp, and Facebook written reviews with some video. Use these testimonial videos on your website, social media profiles, and sales pages for social media advertising. Having your customers share their experiences through video boosts social credibility online. Consumers respond the best watching authentic, real, and raw self-shot videos about someone's experience. Remember these 6 quick and easy tips when asking for testimonials from your customers. If you have any questions about social media advertising, feel free to send us a private message on Facebook or give us a call at 717-PIC-YND, or we'll shrink wrap your car. I'm Robert Tyrell with Your Marketing Dude. Thanks for watching.